Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with video number 2 this week. I'm going to show you in this video 3 different ways to make rice. So let's go. So the first way that we're going to make rice is just plain white rice in the Instant Pot. I'm starting out by grabbing my small colander and I'm going to add 2 cups of plain white rice in the colander. That way we can rinse it until the water runs clear. This helps to keep the rice from sticking while it's cooking. Now that the rice is completely rinsed and the water's run clear, we're going to add this into the Instant Pot. You're also going to add 2 cups of water and a couple dashes of salt. Once you've gotten your lid on, make sure the vent is set to seal and then just press the rice button. This will cook for exactly 12 minutes and it comes out perfect every time. That is all you have to do. Now you can serve your rice however you want to, dress it up or whatever, but I just served it with beef stew over the top. The next way I'm going to show you how to make rice, it's called stick of butter rice and it is so good. In a casserole dish, I'm adding 1 cup of plain white long grain rice, as well as 1 can of French onion soup, as well as 1 can of beef consemme. If you cannot find beef consemme, you can use beef broth. Now all we're going to do is just mix the 2 soups and the rice together, and then we're going to top it with 1 stick of butter cut into squares. Cover the casserole dish with tinfoil and then bake it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes covered, and then after 30 minutes remove the foil and bake for an additional 30 minutes. After the hour cook time is up, pull it out of the oven, fluff your rice, and serve it however you like. We served ours with pot roast, lima beans, and rolls. And this last recipe, I believe, is probably my most favorite because this is a copycat recipe for Bojangles dirty rice. If you do not know what Bojangles is, you are so missing out. Now I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my vegetables for this dish. It has celery, onion, and green bell pepper in the recipe. It called for a cup of frozen mixed vegetables together, but my store did not have it, so I had each item on hand. So all I did was just chop up the 2 stalks of celery. I'm going to de-seed and decore my green bell pepper and slice it into chunks, as well as cut my onion into small pieces. And then I'm going to put them in my little mini food chopper and chop them really finely, and then I'll have that cup or more that I need. Now, as you can see, this produced well over the cup that I need. So I'm going to take out what I need and then set the rest in a little dish and put it in my fridge for later use. Now for the meat in this dish, it is 1 pound of hamburger and 1 pound of breakfast sausage. My store was out of the rolls, so I had to buy the little individual breakfast sausage patties. That's okay. Just put that in there. Go ahead and start browning that up. About halfway through, I added in that celery, onion, and bell pepper mixture, and we're just going to cook this until the meat is completely brown and all the vegetables are soft. While the meat's cooking, I have a bowl that has 4 cups of water in it. I just added in 1 packet of dry onion soup mix. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm also adding in a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and dried parsley, as well as some salt and pepper. I did the salt and pepper to taste, so I don't have an exact measurement for you. But once you have all of this together in your bowl, mix it really well to combine. Go ahead and grab a large 9x13 casserole dish. Add your cooked meat and vegetable mixture in. You want to pour over 2 cups of white long grain rice. And then we'll pour in our 4 cups of seasoned water mixture and give this a little stir. Make sure all of the rice is submerged in the liquid. And then we're going to pop it in the oven to bake for an hour at 375 degrees. Once your rice is done, pull it out of the oven, fluff it, and serve it how you like. We did ours with chicken tenders, biscuits, and fries, just like Bojangles. I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes and can see that rice doesn't always have to be boring. If you give these recipes a try, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload. And I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.